Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable or use circle to search in Android phone. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all open your Play Store, then search here circle to search. You can see here, open this option, then press on install. Wait for completion. After installation, open the app, give the permission, then go back, then hold this option, click on accept, then search here. You can see here, go back, open Google, then round here, you can see here. That's it guys. So in this video, enable or use circle to round in any Android phone. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.